inform me if I'm forgetting these things, okay? Because I'm concentrating on the subject. In this, in between, what I'm forgetting, what to record in, okay? Now, so please uh, uh, mm, see once if recording is not going, that please tell to me, okay? So now fine guys, okay? So what is that? Now SRC pages is there. Inside this page, what we will do now? Take what? User register, right? New, what is that? Other GSP, next GSP, right? So what is that? User form. User register, a user register. Okay, user register form. Let's take what is that? User register dot what? JSP, right? Form name we are taking what? JSP form, right? So inside that, what we will do now? Let's create the form. Okay, form. Now form. Okay. So here what is that? Username, right? Username. Okay. Here what is that? Username. Okay. So here I'm taking just pre tag, right? Pre tag. Inside that we will write it. What is that? You name. Just I'm taking what is that? Name, right? Name, right? Name. Here what is that? Input type equal to text name name, right? Okay. So name model data will become, guys. Okay. What is the model data? Model data is just right user model data, right? User model data. What is that? Username. This one we will copy this one, and what we will do now? We will paste inside this one. Must be match. Otherwise you will get what? Null pointer exception. Otherwise you will get what? At the time of what registering the data, you will get what? Exception. Now another one is what? Another one is what? Email is there, right? Email is there. Okay, so now fine. So here what is that? Email, right? Email, what is the input what? Type, right? Input type. Okay, so text only. Let's text only, right? Name. Another one is what? Name. What is the email attribute is there? User mail, right? Copy this attribute and paste it here. Okay, so now another one is what? Another one is what, guys? Another one is password, right? Password. Another one is what? Password. Okay, so what is that? Input. Input what? Type equal to what is that? Password. Just I'm taking, right? Password. And name equal to what? Name equal to what? Name come here, right? Name come. User password. Okay, fine. Now here fine. Okay, so here another one is what? We have need to take what? Role also, right? Role also. What is that? Roles, right? Roles. Now take it what is that? Roles, right? Input input type equal to what? Checkbox, right? And what is that? Value. We will take what? Value equal to what we are deciding now? Admin and employee, right? Admin what? Admin. 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 Another one is what is that? This one is what? ADMIN, right? Admin. Another. Copy the same things, guys. Okay. Copy the same things, and what we will do now? Paste it. Again paste it. Paste it. Okay. So here what is that? Employee. Here we are deciding what? Employee, right? Employee, right? Fine. So now, but here what is that? We will take one more attribute. What is that? Name. Name, right? So what is the name? Come here, right? Here roles, right? We will take this attribute, right? Paste it here. And another one is what? Name. Paste it. Okay. So our farm is ready now, guys. Okay. Our farm is what? Ready now. Here, what is that? Input what? Type equal to submit. Input type equal to submit. Value equal to what? Value equal to what? Submit. Register. Fine. So now the form is ready now, guys. Okay. So same things. Okay. You want to see this form? Okay. What we will do now? What we will do now? Come inside the controller class. Write one controller method. Right. Write one what? Controller method. What we will do now, guys? Okay. I'm writing what? Private. Oh, sorry. Public. Public what? String. String. What is that? Uh. So user data. Just I'm writing, right. So user data, right. Now fine. So here I'm making what? Get type request only, right. At the rate get, at the rate get mapping, right. At the rate get mapping. Inside that, what I'm going to do now, guys? um Register. Register, right. I want what? Register page. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, return what is that? User register page, right. User register page. User register page. We are returning this what? User register page here, right. Right. So fine. Now okay, let's run this application and we will see first what is that. First we will see that what? User register page. Okay. Just I'm stopping the sharing, right. We know that if without stopping the sharing, our application is not able to run one Tomcat nowadays, right. In Spring Boot, I will complete this problem. Okay, now in next session onward, we will not face this issue, guys. Okay, because already we completed the setup. I don't want to disturb these setups. Okay, so because of that, I'm not touching anything. Okay, but the next session onward, this problem will be not there. So now, okay, so what we will do now? Here, come here, right? Here, what is that? Employee register, right? Make the request employee register, and we will give till now whatever form we developed, right? This form we completed just now, right? Just now this development we completed, guys. Okay. So now fine. So means come here, right? This much operation we completed, guys. This much operation we completed, but we have need to store the data also or not in the database. We have need to store the data also in what? Database, right. So all things, right. So this area operation till now we completed the coding. Till now we completed the coding now, but what is that? Whenever we will click on the register button, what we have need to do now, guys? What we have need to do now? We have need to give what? Its implementation also, right. Here we are clicking what? Register button. Nothing is happening now. Nothing is happening, right. Whenever we will fulfill the data, right, inside this form, so this data must be go inside what? Database and store, right. Store in the database. So let's give the its implementation, right. Let's give what? Its implementation to store the information about what? Information about what? User, right. So now I'm stopping the what? Now I'm stopping what? Server. Our server, not session, guys. Okay. Not a session, server. Just I'm stopping what? Server, right. So now fine. Okay. So what we will do now? First, what is that? We have need to what? Store the data in the database. So what we will do now? Come inside that what? We will decide one method, right? We will decide one method. That method will store the data inside what? Inside what? Database. So what is that? First go inside what? DAO interface, right? DAO interface, right? So no, already I don't want. I want create what? My user interface, right? My what is that? User details interface, right. So now create inside this what? User interface, right. Now inside what is that? I'm giving what is that? I user detail DAO, right? DAO. Now finish it. Okay. So now fine guys. Okay. So inside this interface, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to create one method. What is that? Public. What is that? Public integer. Public integer. What is that? Save. Save user details, right? Details. Okay. And argument is what? User. Argument is what? User. Which one? Model. Our model class user, right? User details, right? User details. And what is that? User. Okay, just user only I'm taking, right? This is what? User details means we are storing this model data, right? Model class information, right? To what we are we are writing what? One abstraction method. But we know that this is what? Interface. In interface we are not able to create the object, and we are not able to give what? Its implementation logic. So where we will give now guys? It's a implementation class. We will give the logic inside what? It's an implementation class. So what is that? Again, come inside that what package? com.rk.dao Right click on that. New. What is that? Write one class, right? What is the class name we will take guys? Interface name we are taking user detail DAO, right? So here what we will take now? User user detail, right? User detail DAOIMPL means it's implementation class, right? We are following what? Coding standard, guys. Okay, we are following what? Coding standard. Now right, fine. Now next what we will do now? We will implement what? Interface, right? We will implement what? Interface. IMPL. Implement what is that? I user I user detail DAO interface, right? So, but in this interface, what is that? One abstract method is there, right? One abstract method, I'll shift SB plus B, right? So now what we will do now? We will override that abstract method to what? Store the database. Now, but this is what? I don't want to create what? This implementation class object. Who will create our IOC container, right? So for that, one stereotype annotation we will apply. Which one? At the rate what? Repository. On the top of what? It's implementation class. But what is that? All operation. What is that? Save, delete, update operation. We are going to use what is that? We are performing based on which framework internally to store the data in the database is Spring ORM. So for that, we will make what is that? Is a relation with what? Hibernate template. Hibernate what? Template. HT, right? Okay, now fine. So, but what is that? How we can take at the rate auto y, right? We have need to, if we want to make is a relation between any object. So we have need to use what? We have need to use what? Auto y, right? So now fine guys. Okay, so next what? Let's write the logic. HT dot, what is that? We have need to save the object. So inside that this object, what we will do now guys? We will pass it, right? We will pass it. Now fine guys. Okay, so it will return what is that? In ID, right? Integer. It will return what? ID of object, right? But here what is that? It's asking what to typecast, okay? To typecast. So now fine guys. Okay, so now what we will do now? Here return it ID. We have need it will return the ID and the return it. Okay, so DAO layer operation be completed. So let's write the logic inside what? Inside our what? Our what guys? Inside what? Service class, right? So same like come inside that what? So user detail service, right? User detail service, this operation is completed, right? This operation is completed. Now so come inside that what? User what? Come inside that what? Service class, right? Service interface. So let's create one more interface. What is that? Com dot sorry I I user I user what? I user detail service. I user detail service, right? This is what interface, right? This is the interface, right? Same, let's take copy paste only, right? Copy paste only, same method only inside here also. We will take it. Okay, so interface is ready now, guys. Okay, interface is ready now. So we have need to write the logic also, right? Logics also. So what we will do now, right click new, what, take the one class. What is that? User detail service IMPL, right? User detail what? User detail service IMPL, right? We will implement it, right? We will implement that class. Now, what is that? I user service. We will take that, and inside this one, what is that? What is that, guys? One abstract method is there, right? We will override that abstract method. Now here overridden that method, right? So now, but we have need to write the logic also. But what is that? I don't want to create this class object, right? I want to create. I don't want to configure this class in what bean configuration. So what we will do now, guys? We will use what stereotype annotation. What is the stereotype annotation? At the rate service, because this is the service class. Okay, service class is nothing but service layer, business layer. Okay, so now here again, here what we are going to do now, guys, we are going to save the data. Means we are going to perform what? Non-select operation, right? We are going to perform what? Non-select operation. So what we will do now? At the rate transaction, at the rate transactional, right? At the rate transactional annotation we will apply on the top of what? This method. Now, okay, so but what is that? So this our business logic, means our service logic here need to interact with what? Our database also. So for that we have make the EJ relation between what? DAO layer, right? Private what? Private I user DAO, right? DAO. Okay, fine. Now, so here what we will do now? Apply on the top of what is that? At the rate auto wire. Fine, guys. So, okay, so fine now. Okay, so the till now the things is completed. So what we will do now next, guys? Come here, right? Come here. So what we will do now? DAO dot we will call the save user detail method, right? In the DAO layer, and we will pass this user, right? Okay, so now this method will return what? This method will return what, guys? What it will return now? It will return integer ID, right? Integer ID. Now fine now, guys. Okay, the till now the things is completed. So what we will do now? Just we will return this ID, right? Just I'm returning this ID. Fine. So our service class also we completed now, guys. Okay, our service class also we completed. So what we will do now? Let's give the implementation of what? This page, right? Let's give the implementation of what? This page. Okay, so come inside that controller, right? Come inside that. What is that controller? What is that, guys? Here controller. Okay, we will take in this controller only. We are not going to create another controller. So before, what we will do now, we have need to store. So what is that? We will make the EJ relation between what is the I user, I user, I user detail service, right? I user detail service. Okay, user service, user service. Now fine, guys. Okay, now fine. Okay, so here top of what we will apply on the top of this attribute at the rate auto wire, right? We will apply on the top of what? At the rate auto wire. Now the things is completed. So let's give what? Let's give what, guys? It's the this page implementation, right? Let's give the this page implementation to what? In our what? Controller. So here what I'm going to do now, guys? What I'm going to do now? Public string, what is that? Save user detail. This is the method, right? This is the method. Inside this method, what is that? We are storing the model data, right? So what is that? At the rate model attribute, we will take the model attribute. What is that? User, what is that? User data, right? User data, what is that? User, right? After then, what is that? Model model map, right? Map, we are taking the model map. Now fine. So here what we are going to do now? We are going to, what is that? Save the user data, right? At the rate, what is that? Post mapping. we will apply on the top of this method. What is that? Post mapping. Inside that we are specifying that what? At the rate user details, right? User data. Okay, user data. Now, so okay, fine. So till now the things is completed, guys. So next what we will do now? Next what we will do now? Here just we will call the service class method. What is that? User using what is that? User service reference, right? User, what is that? User service dot what? Save, right? Save user detail data is there, right? Save user data detail, and inside that we will pass that user, right? And this one will return what? This one will return what? Integer, right? Integer id. Integer id. It's returning what? Id, right? It's returning what? Id. Now next what we will do now, guys? Next one is what? Next step is what? Just I'm converting this one as what? Return. Just a return null. I'm returning null here, right? Later I will return it. Okay, later I will return the same page. Okay, let's return only this page. I'm returning the same page here. Same page only. So now here what we will do now, just I'm taking one string. String, what is that? Data, what is that? User save, what is that? ID fully, right? Okay, this message. Okay, so what we will do now? Map dot add map dot, what is that? Yeah, map dot add attribute. Inside that, what is that? Just message. I'm writing what? MSG, and I'm storing this message inside this what is that? Model map. Now data is stored. Now the implementation also be completed now, guys. Okay, we completed the implementation. Okay, so now let's run the application and we will see that our data is storing or not, right? We will see that here message we want, right? We want message also. What is that? Control dollar symbol MSG, right? Fine. Okay, so let's run one more time up our application, right? Let's run one more time our application. So I'm running the application again. Hmm. I'm stopping the screen sharing, guys. Just after I will share. Yes. So now fine, guys. So next what we will do now? Come here, right? Come here. Okay. So here, what is that? We want just register page, right? So just this is the register page. Our what register page, right? We got it, right? So we are given the what, but it's still something we forget, yeah. Okay, come inside what? User controller, right? Here user detail is there. Copy this one and come in the user register. And here what is that? Form action, give this one. And what is that? Method take as what? Post. Now I'm stopping again the server, right? Now run the application again. I forgot that one, okay, because of that. Okay, now fine guys. Okay, so come here, right? Come here. Okay, just refreshing. I'm refreshing one more time. Okay, here just I'm giving what is that? Okay, Padma and t@gmail.com, right? Gmail.com and password just 1 2 3 4 5. I'm giving, right? Role I'm giving what? Admin, employee both. Now click the register button. Oh, no problem. No problem. We are getting some error, right? We are getting what is that? Com.rk model.user nested. Something error is coming, right? No problem, guys. No problem. Hibernate system. IDS. Okay. Why? In the save, right? Calling save assistant before calling save. 1 minute. First, we have need to identify generator. Okay, I got it point. Got it point, guys. Okay, come in.
Generated
Yes, yes, yes.
annotations are not used.
Yes, yes, yes. Come inside that user, right? So here, what is that? We have need to, what is that? Use the iterate generator, right? Generated value. That's it. Okay. So again, we have need to run the application. Okay. Let's stop it. Okay. So now, okay, guys. So what we will do now? Next one is what? Next one is what step, guys? So come again on the browser, right? Come on the browser. So what is that? Register. I'm taking again register. Oh, okay. So here, what is that? Padma p @gmail.com. 1 2 3 4 5, right? Admin, employee, both roles. I'm giving what? Now see that data user details save one successfully. You want to see the in the database, right? Now come inside, right? Now refresh the database. See two table roles and a tab is created now. Inside that tab, right? All information, user email and a uname and password and what is that? ID is generating now. And another roles inside the role table. What is that? Based on the primary key. What is that? Admin and the employee. Both I selected, right? Both what I selected, right? So those roles is become what? These roles become what? Child table, right? Child table. And what is that? User. What is that? User table is what? User table is what? Parent table. In that, what is that? All details is there or not? Based on that what diagram? Based on that diagram, our data is storing or not, guys, in the database? Come on. In the database, based on that what? Based on that our theory or practical is working or not? Come on. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so what is that? Our information is storing now. Okay, our information is storing in the database, guys. Okay, our information is storing in the database now. Okay, so what next? What we will do now, guys? So, but here, see that what is that? Here, I said that here password is as it is storing in what? Password is what? Storing as it is in the database, guys. Okay, as it is in the database. Okay, so in the real time, we are not storing what password like this. Okay, we have need to what, encrypt this data, right? Encrypt in the unreadable format. Make this data, right? Make the password as what, unreadable format, right? Unreadable format. Then we are storing the data, right? Then we are storing the data. So next what we will do now, I'm again stopping the server, guys. I'm again stopping the server. So now to encrypt, right? Bcrypt encoder password, right? String people is given. Whenever we are putting the what? Whenever we are putting the what? Security dependency in what? Security dependency in what? Our application. In our application, by default, what is that? Bcrypt password encoder will class will come. But what is that come here in the yesterday application, right? Yesterday application in memory, right? In memory, just inside this one. Okay, just inside this one, I'm creating one normal class, guys, with main method. Okay, in the same application, this is the standalone application. For the just I'm writing what, test, right? Test with main method. I will delete it after, then I will delete it also, right? So here what I'm going to do now, guys, here just I'm taking what, one string data, right? One string data, and I want to encrypt this string data, right? So what is that? String data, just I'm taking what, string data, Ravi only, right? Ravi only, Ravikant, right? I'm taking my name only. Okay, so now I want to encrypt this Ravikant. Think about that. This is the password. Okay, this is the password. So I want to encrypt this password, right? I want to encrypt this password. So for that, Spring People is given what? Bcrypt. What is that? Bcrypt password encoder, BC, right? Just I'm giving what? BC equal to new bcrypt, right? Bcrypt password encoder. Inside this bcrypt password encoder, what is that? One method is there. What is that? Encoding. Inside this encoding, what we will do now, guys? We will pass this data, right? We will pass this data. Now it will return what? String. Encoded format. ENC encoded format. This data will return what? Encoded format. Now, fine. So here you want to see that the same Ravikant in the encoded format. Now see that, okay?